Hey, good morning guys. I'm sorry to delay you guys, and I know it's a Sunday. Maybe some of you want to go to church. Okay, cool. This is what it is, guys. This is what I've sketched for you. The bonus is a 6, 10, 36, 46. But in another case, you must know that these numbers can also drop as singles. So let's break our codes first. The first code is 121, which is they used yesterday 22, because when you say 1 plus 21 is 22, when you subtract it's a 20. So this code definitely it came right with the correct numbers. And yesterday I gave you the bank, so today the banker might be 21 or 12. Then at the bottom there you see it's 137, which is when you say 1 plus 37, 1 minus 37, that's a 36. So which means our banker is 36, because I can see it as a bonus there. Then if you say 37 plus 1 is a 38. If you say 13 plus 1 is a 20, 13 minus 1, 13 minus 7, that should be let me see there, it's a 6. But another number that you must watch, of course, 14 they did skip yesterday. So if this number was skipped, you must know that today it's going to, you have a chance to come back. You understand? So this is how it is, guys, and I don't want to make this video so long. I just want you guys to play and go and boom like yesterday. Yesterday was accurate. And remember, 17 came yesterday, so there's another chance of them picking up this 7 as a banker. So there's a chance between the 7 and 36. But I'm saying, because they're introducing the other number now, which is a 10. As you can see, a 10 is there, because the 20 has played yesterday, so they can introduce this 10, or they can repeat the 20. Why? Because the 20, it still tells us that it is alive. And there, if you say 13 plus 7, it tells us that it's a 20. So guys, run around with the codes, see how you can predict. Just, I'm so happy about yesterday. Yesterday was wonderful. Actually, it's I'm sorry that I did not manage to post the tea time, because I was busy with other stuff. You know, guys, I'm doing music, so it's mathematics, it's music, it's gambling. So I don't have time to, especially like yesterday. So yeah, anyway guys, big up to those of you catching up, and for those of you who won, please guys, come and purchase your books. It's still open. I'm going to leave a link at the first comment of this video. You will see in the first comment there's a link. On that link you can just push it, and then you inbox me, we talk. If you need the books or any help, maybe on, yeah, I think this is what it is, guys. You must not be late at church because of this. So I've tried by all means to make sure that I give you the video very, very early. Thank you very much, guys. I will see you on another one. Thank you.